Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make liposomal vitamin C. Liposomal vitamin C is a powerful supplement that significantly boosts absorption rates, allowing your body to utilize more of this essential nutrient. Unlike traditional vitamin C, the liposomal form encapsulates the vitamin in tiny fat bubbles, protecting it through the digestive system. This ensures a much higher percentage reaches your cells, maximizing its health benefits. To begin, gather your key ingredients: 1 tablespoon of pure ascorbic acid powder and 3 tablespoons of liquid sunflower lecithin. You'll also need 2 cups of distilled water. For equipment, an ultrasonic cleaner is essential for creating the liposomes, along with a high-speed blender. Accurate measuring spoons and cups will ensure the correct ratios for an effective batch. First, dissolve 1 tablespoon of ascorbic acid powder completely in 1 cup of distilled water. In a separate container, blend 3 tablespoons of liquid sunflower lecithin with the remaining 1 cup of distilled water until smooth. Next, combine both solutions in your ultrasonic cleaner. Run the cleaner for at least 30 minutes or up to 1 hour to allow the liposomes to properly form and encapsulate the vitamin C. Once prepared, transfer your liposomal vitamin C into an airtight glass jar. It's crucial to refrigerate it immediately to preserve its potency and extend its shelf life. For best results, consume your homemade solution within 2 weeks. A common dosage is 1 tablespoon daily, which you can easily mix into a glass of water or your favorite juice for a convenient and highly absorbable boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.